algo trading.
So, where do you see the future of algo trading going? Like, do you see the implementation of AI that can like create strategies for itself rather than just learning or
Okay,
just
so
like being given a strategy?
so I can comment on that. It's pretty interesting. So if you think about AI, there's a huge issue here. So when you think about institutions, they don't create algorithm trading bots. They are based on AI. Why? Because they have to explain the regulators what the bot is doing. And when you are creating, an AI bot, the AI bot it's a black box, right? It creates a strategy that you have no idea what's going on there. So pretty much, you can probably have an idea, but it's pretty hard to explain what is actually going on the AI. So I don't see institutions doing much AI trading very soon. I don't think that's gonna happen at the moment due to regulations. But
How
I'll
about
go.
like the wealth advisors, like Wealthfront and stuff? Like, I feel like the regulators have been a
Oh,
little bit more open.
yeah, I guess if they are more open, the institution is probably gonna do move on to building more AI algorithm trading bots, right?
Okay.
And I think they are probably the future. Like when you look at it, they're probably going to be much better when you realize and then work on them. But it's going to take a few years, in my opinion. It's not going to happen
Yeah,
in
definitely.
time soon. For people to actually have very solid models that trade for you and purely based on AI. But when you are looking to more algorithm trading bots, they are not based on AI. They are more based on arbitrage
Hmm.
strategies and stuff like that. It's more easy to do. It's more mathematical. It's not really something that goes out of the book. So it's much more easy to do. And that's something that's growing more and more institutions and even individual traders that are having more algorithms to trade. And at some point, it's gonna be
Uh-huh.
very, very hard, in my opinion, for individuals to just come to the market and trade without knowing a lot of stuff, because the algorithms is gonna kill everybody that's not really pretty good at trading,
Yeah.
and even the ones that are actually pretty good. I don't like to think of this idea, but maybe at some point it's gonna be a bot market, right? Just bots
Yeah.
trading against bots, but
You
uh,
know what it might turn into? It's like it's almost like how we went from like the stockbrokers to financial advisors, and then it's gonna go from financial advisors to then they're gonna become just like they pick the bots that they give to their clients.
yeah, yeah,
Like, yeah,
like bot A, bot B is doing better this month. Yeah, I think that
yeah.
makes
It's
sense.
like their job will change from trading to
Yeah,
then now like being good at picking bots or creating bots.
yeah,
Like,
that might be true actually. You'd say,
mm.
but at the moment, I see a lot of arbitrage trading bots. So they
Oh yeah,
price
I've
the
seen that
price
too.
bonds and they do this, and that's something that doesn't actually hit the market. Like they don't actually go out there and buy a lot of stuff like crazy just because they want to buy it because they are bullish. It's not really based on that. It's more based on arbitrage and like correct pricing of instruments. So at the moment, they are not really the ones that are making the market, right? They are just more adjusting the market. But when we get to the point that they make the market and they do whatever they want, then then I don't feel like individual traders, people that just study, will have a chance to trade that
I
much
wonder
anymore
what
against
happens
them.
to the market at that point, right? Because if
Yeah,
the market swings are really based off of human psychology at the moment, if there's a market full of bots, then
they're not gonna work, right? So it's
is that just like a perfect market?
yeah. I'm not sure it's how it's gonna work out, but
Because it'll be just based on solely fundamentals and
maybe the
like the
bots
future value of
themselves,
the fundamentals.
they stop working, right? Like the thing they
Yeah.
were discussing, maybe the bots just stop working. They don't fit anymore the strategy and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or they start having emotions.
Yeah. Maybe you're gonna see like a Wall Street group that we had on stocks, people buying content trading bots instead of institutions.
Yeah. That'd be funny.